Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Ed Leedskalnins Workshop. Today we are doing a quick video on some little things I'm trying out. This is that little circuit with the transistor. There's my tower. There's my lit up light bulb. Also I have another light bulb that I have. It lights up a 4-foot one also. So today I put a potentiometer going from the power from the plus side to the potentiometer, out the potentiometer, the same way everything else is the same. So I'm just interrupted the plus from the from the bead board to the end of the primary. So put the potentiometer. Now I want you guys to see something, because what we have here is we have an oscillating circuit here that is having an interruption on it. So when the primary turns on and off, it's really being turned off, on and off, by the oscillation from the signal. So the signal is connected to the transistor, which has a inward and an outward oscillation about it, and it is in control. It's the trigger for the switch. This is the switch. We'll call the coil the trigger. So it's the trigger. So what I wanted to see is if it would still light light bulbs and still have the same type of EMF from its oscillation by using the potentiometer. I'm slowing down the energy coming into the circuit, and also I am slowing down the pulsation, which really stems from the trigger, which is the coil. So here I'm going to turn the potentiometer just a little bit, and I want you to look at the light. You see the light turning dimmer and brighter? Well, that is very strange. And the strange thing about that, if you understand the circuit, how these Slayer circuits and how these little transistors work, is that you're basically putting power into this big heaping wire, and then you're pulsating it, and you're causing the EMF of this primary go into the secondary and rise and then collapse, and that's putting a electron sprinkle in the air, basically, if you want to look at it. And then it finds its way, the sprinkles find their way back to the grid, and they either get to ground or go into metal. So that's one right here, and I wanted to show you that, wow, the potentiometer doesn't work great, but it does slow down the oscillation here. And I'm going to get off this video here because I'm going to take this potentiometer now, and I am going to interrupt the trigger this time. I'm going to come out of the coil into the potentiometer and then go into the circuit to see if I can now control the oscillation from the trigger point, from the point that every time this triggers, this oscillates, opens the gate and shuts the gate. But hope you guys enjoy the video. Talk to you later.